Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you that how you can log out from Roblox on other devices. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So guys, once you open the Roblox application on your device, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the More option. Once you tap on the More option, this menu will appear, and from this menu, you need to go to Settings. So once you go to Settings, here you will need to tap on Security. So once you tap on Security, it will take a bit of time to load, and the first thing you will see is two-step verification. But if you scroll down, you will find where you logged in, and right at the bottom, log out of all other sessions. So guys, if you're logged into Roblox account on other devices, you will see all the devices here. I'm currently using Roblox on only one device, and it is shown here. So if you're logged into multiple devices, you will see it here. So if you want to log out from all those sessions, all you need to do is to tap on Logout, and it will ask you one more time. All you need to do is to tap on Logout again, and you will be logged out from each and every device that you in the past logged in. So guys, this is all it takes to log out from Roblox on other devices. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.